One-step inequalities with multiplication and division, the most important thing to remember is when you're multiplying both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the inequality symbol has to be reversed. Very important, hard to remember, something you need to memorize. So let's look at the first example, a number divided by -3 is less than 5. So to solve this inequality, we're going to multiply both sides by -3. Because we are multiplying by a negative, we are flipping the inequality sign to get x is greater than or equal to -15. So -15, -14. I am going to use an open circle and I'm going to shade to the right side of the number line. The next example, 1/2 of a number is more than -8. To solve this inequality, I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. Now, because I am multiplying, the number I am multiplying both sides is not negative. Even though this one is negative, this is the one we're looking at. We do not need to flip the inequality sign, so I get x is greater than -16. So I have -16, -15, -14, open circle, shade to the right. Try this one. Here is the answer. 1/8 x is less than or equal to 3. Multiply by 8 on both sides, and you get x is less than or equal to 24. This is a closed circle, shading to the left. A number divided by 4 is at least -2. Try this one. A number divided by 4 is at least greater than or equal to -2. We're going to multiply by 4 on both sides to give us x is greater than or equal to -8. Closed circle, shade to the right. -1/6 of a number is less than -9. Try this one now. -1/6 x, you can multiply both sides by -6 or divide by -1/6. Either way, you're dividing or multiplying by a negative, so you're going to flip the sign. X is greater than 54. Open circle, shade to the right. Last one, a number divided by -8 is less than or equal to -5. In this case, we had to multiply both sides of the equation by -8. Because we're multiplying by a negative, we had to flip the sign, so x is greater than or equal to 40. This is a closed circle, shade to the right.